In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page properties in Odoo. If you want to manage how a page appears and behaves on your website, Odoo makes it very simple. Editing page properties is useful when you need to update the page name, change the URL, control whether the page is published, decide if search engines can index it, set it as the home page, or adjust who can see it. These settings help you keep your website organized and make sure visitors see exactly what you want them to see. To get started, go to your Odoo dashboard and click on the website app. This will take you into your site management area where you can access and edit the pages on your website. Make sure you're on the page you want to update before changing its properties, since these settings apply to the current page you are viewing. Once you're inside the website app, look to the top left of the screen and click on Site. This menu gives you access to several website-related options. From there, select Properties. This opens the Page Properties panel for the page you're currently on. In this section, you'll see a group of important settings you can edit. You can change the page's name, which is helpful if you want the title to better reflect the content of the page. You can also update the URL if you want a cleaner or more relevant web address. Just keep in mind that changing a URL can affect existing links to that page, so it's a good idea to double-check before saving. You can also choose whether the page is published or unpublished. If a page is published, visitors can access it on your website. If it's unpublished, it will stay hidden from the public. There's also an option to control whether the page is indexed, which determines if search engines can include it in search results. If needed, you can set the page as the home page, which is useful when you want this page to be the first thing visitors see when they open your site. Another setting available here is visibility. This allows you to control who can access the page, depending on how your website is configured. It's especially useful for private or restricted content. After you make the changes you want, click Save to apply them. Once saved, your updated page properties will take effect. And that's it. That's how to edit page properties in Odoo.